Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download a normalized burn ratio in Google Earth Engine and visualize the image in ArcGIS. So let's get started. So the normalized burn ratio is the remote sensing index used to assess the severity of the burn scars of the area affected by fire using a satellite imagery such as Landsat 8 data. So NBR is calculated based on the reflectance value in the near infrared and shortwave infrared 2 bands of Landsat 8 imagery. So the formula for to calculate the NBR is given as NBR, that is normalized burn ratio, equals to NIR minus shortwave infrared 2 divided by NIR plus shortwave infrared 2. In this formula, the NIR refers to the near infrared and the SWIR 2 refers to shortwave infrared band 2. So NBR value typically ranges from -1 to +1, where the negative value is representing an area with a severe burn scars and the positive value representing a relatively healthy or unburned vegetation. The greater the negative value, the more severe the burn. So how to interpret the NBR value? The positive value from 0 to 1 generally indicates healthy or the unburned vegetation, and the near zero value suggests a minimum to moderate burn severity, and the negative value starting from -1 to 0 indicates an area of more severe burn scars with a lower value representing a higher severity. An NBR analysis is particularly useful for assessing the impact of wildfires, studying the post-fire vegetation recovery, and monitoring the ecological changes in fire-affected areas over time. So now let me get back to our Earth Engine. So the objective of our video is to download our normalized burn ratio in Earth Engine and visualize the image in ArcGIS. So the formula for the normalized burn ratio is NBR is equal to NIR minus shortwave infrared 2 divided by NIR plus shortwave infrared 2. That is, in Landsat 8 it is represented as a band 5 minus band 7 divided by band 5 plus band 7. NBR is used to assess the burn severity in areas affected by fire. It helps to detect the change in the vegetation cover due to the fire, as the burnt area have a different reflectance patterns in NIR and shortwave infrared bands. So now to calculate the NBR, that is normalized burn ratio, so we have to import our Landsat 8 image into Earth Engine. So for that we define a variable called L8 equals to image collection Landsat LCO8 Landsat 8 collection 1 tire top of the atmosphere. So to get an image with the least cloud contaminated image, so we are particularly using in 2020 image. So for that we defined a variable called image 2020 equals to image. So Landsat 8 dot filter bound. So we are using a point as a study bar region. So basically we are using a polygon data with 4 vertices as our study region, which is denoted as a variable point. So this particular red color boundary, that is a rectangular boundary here, represents our study region. So next we are filtering the specific timeline, that is we are using dot filter date 2021, that is January 1 to 2020 December 31st. So next we are sorting with the least cloud contaminated image. For that we are using dot sort cloud cover. We are representing the function, we are using a function called dot sort cloud cover as accessing the cloud cover. Dot first function represents the image with the least cloud contaminated image. So for that we are using specifically dot first function. So next, to view the property of this particular satellite image, we define print image 2020.toFloat function. So in order to view the details of this particular Landsat 8 image, we define this particular code called print image 2020.toFloat. So image 2020 here refers to this particular variable, that is our Landsat 8 image. So next, to compute our normalized burn ratio, we defined a variable called B5 and B7. So B5 here represents image 2020.select B5. So variable B5 equals to image 2020 refers to our Landsat 8 image, so referring to this particular variable, and dot select band 5. So in the Landsat 8 image we are selecting particularly the band 5. For that we are using a variable called B5. Similarly, the variable called B7 equals to image 2020, that is referring to Landsat 8 image, and in that we're going to select the particular band called B7 in Landsat 8 image. That is shortwave infrared band, and B5 it is the near infrared band. So to compute this normalized burn ratio, we defined a variable called NBR, that is normalized burn ratio 2020 equals to B5 subtract B7 divided by B5 plus B7, and we're gonna rename this layer as NBR, representing as a normalized burn ratio. So next is to display our result. For that we defined map.center object image 2029. So here the 9 refers to our zoom level, the image 2020 refers to our Landsat 8 image. So in order to center our satellite image, we are using this particular code. So next, to define a visualization parameter for our NBR, that is our normalized burn ratio, we defined a variable called NBR params. So param represents our visualization parameter. We are setting with a minimum value of -1 and to a maximum value of +1. The color palettes we are using is representing as a red, yellow and green. So you can visualize here the minimum value, that is a -1 to 0 here represents the area with the burn severity. And similarly, the value starting from 0 to +1 here represents the healthy vegetation. So for that in order to recognize the area with the burned areas, we are specifically given a color red for our negative value, -1 value. And similarly, in order to represent the healthy vegetation, we are representing green as our positive value, that is +1. So next, to define the visualization parameter for our Landsat 8 image, we defined a variable called visparam true, that is true color composite. So visualization parameter for our Landsat 8 image equals to band B4, B3 and B2, which is the true color composite. We are setting with a minimum value of 0 and to a maximum value of 3000, and we are setting a gamma value around 1.4. So now to add this layer, that is our NBR layer into Earth Engine, we defined map.addLayer NBR 2020 NBR params. So 2020 NBR 2020 is defined this particular variable where we have performed our normalized burn ratio. So NBR param represents a visualization parameter representing this particular variable, and output the layer as a NBR image 2020. So next, to add our Landsat 8 image into Earth Engine, we defined map.addLayer here referring to image 2020. We have shown you that image 2020 represents our Landsat 8 image, and this param represents our visualization parameter for our true color composite of Landsat 8 image, representing this specific variable. And next, output the layer name as Landsat 8 image. So now last, to export our normalized burn ratio image to our Google Drive, we define export to drive, that is export.image to drive. So image NBR 2020.float function. So we are specifically using this float function in order to avoid the null values during our export. We are specifically using this float function. So next, we are giving NBR image 2020 polygon, and the spatial resolution of our Landsat 8 image is around 30 meter. So for that we define 30 meter, and the study region is as a point, that is this specific represented as a point as a variable, but this is a polygon with 4 vertices, and we are setting a maximum pixel value of around 1:10 power 13. So now to export this normalized burn ratio to our Google Drive, all you have to do is go to the option called run script and click run script. So now we can able to take a look at this image property of Landsat 8 image, image we are using. So we can visualize the different property of this specific Landsat 8 image. So you can also view the data acquired date and a variety of other properties. So you can able to visualize here. You can visualize the data types and the collection categories and the data type and data acquired, the image, the data acquired, and the datum, and also the projection details, the ellipsoids. So now let me close this. So now let us export our normalized burn ratio image to our Google Drive. So all you have to do is you can able to visualize a specific unsubmitted task called NBR image 2020 polygon. So to export this image, you're gonna click this option called run. So now a new window has been popped up saying initiate an image export. So this is our required one, that is normalized burn ratio, coordinate reference system, spatial resolution to our drive, and file format is GeoTIFF. So now click this option run to export our image to a Google Drive. So now you can able to visualize here. So our NBR image 2020 polygon has been currently been exported to our Google Drive. So now let us visualize our image here. So now let me turn off the study area boundary. So go to the geometry inputs and click this arrow to remove the study area. So now let me show you how to add a study region. So you can able to visualize now. So the image is being currently exported. So now let me delete this particular study region, variable point polygon. Let me delete this. So you can just add a study region just by clicking this option called draw a rectangle. So now you can draw a rectangle over any study region of the world. So in order to acquire the normalized burn ratio. So now I have drawn a particular rectangle polygon over the any study region. So now let me and you can also move the study region just by pressing right clicking on it, and you can move the study region to any part of your location. So in order to acquire the image of that particular area, so you can just move this. And now let me explain about this image. Let me turn this layer off. So now you can able to visualize here there is a color variation starting from red, yellow to green. So here the some part of the study region here represented in red color. So you can able to visualize that in agricultural area that is represented in a mild red color. So this particular normalized burn ratio is used to identify the burn areas. So the burned areas are generally varying from -1 to 0. Higher the negative, higher the burn severity. So you can visualize here the red represents the burned area in this agricultural fields. So you can visualize in this part of the study region. So you can visualize the mild red color is being observed in different part of the study region. So which indicates the burn areas in the agricultural fields. And similarly, you can be able to visualize here the green color. So the green color here represents the healthy vegetation, that is unburned vegetation. So generally the burned vegetations can be identified using the specific normalized burn ratio. So the mild red here indicates the burned vegetation, and the high good green represents the green represents here or the unburned vegetation. So this particular method for identifying the burn ratio is very useful in order to identify the burn severity of the region. So for that we are using this normalized burn ratio. So now we can able to visualize in the task section our NBR image 2020 polygon has been exported to our Google Drive. So it took around 5 minutes to export our NBR image to our Google Drive. So now let us visualize our NBR image in my Google Drive. So currently it is in my Google Drive. So now let me refresh it. So now you can able to visualize we have our NBR image 2020. So now let me download this particular image. So you have to just right click and click the option called download. So now we're gonna export the image as NBR image 2020 polygon. So now let me save this. So it is around 12.3 MB. So now let us visualize this NBR image in ArcGIS. So currently we are in ArcGIS environment. So let me add our data, that is our NBR image into our ArcGIS. So to add our NBR image into ArcGIS, you have to click this option called add data. So now click this option called add data. So now let me select my NBR image, that is NBR image 2020 polygon. So now let me add this image into our ArcGIS. Click this option called add to add this image. So now a new window popped up saying create a pyramid for NBR image. So yes. So now we can able to visualize the image that we have downloaded from our Google Earth Engine, and currently we are visualizing our image in ArcGIS environment. So in the left side of table of content, the table of content section, you can visualize the NBR image 2020 polygon.def function. So the value currently is varying from 0.8252 minus 0.30. So now let me classify this image in applying different color ramps. So now you can able to visualize our NBR image in our ArcGIS environment. So you can able to visualize that. So basically the negative indicates the burned area, and higher the negative value, higher the severity of the burn areas. And similarly the positive value indicates the healthy vegetation, that is represented in the specific shade green and blue color, which is represent the healthy vegetation. And similarly the red value here minus 0.30 representing our burnt areas, which is represented in the color called red. So in this video I have shown you how to download a normalized burn ratio in Google Earth Engine and visualize it in ArcGIS. So now let me get back to our Earth Engine. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.